Trim function removes all spaces from a text string, except for single space between words. This function has only one argument. In text argument, type the text string or select the cell reference that contain text from which you want to remove spaces. In text box, select the text string. Click OK. Function returns text string with single space between two words. You can see here there is an extra space between two words. Active this cell. Click text arrow button. Scroll down. Click trim function. In text box, select this text string. Click OK. Function returns text string with removing extra space between these two words. You can see here there is an extra space between how and or. Active this cell. Click text arrow button. Click trim function. In text box, select this text string. Click OK. Trim function returns text string with removing extra space between these three words. In this way, you can remove extra space between words in the text strings by using trim function.